How to make fluffy slime by Monica Chang, an assistant to Mirapella. First you need glue, contact solution, shaving cream, and a spoon and a bowl. Squirt the glue into the bowl until it reaches 1/4 of the cup. And then squirt the shaving cream as 3 times as much as the glue. Mix together until they're all mixed well. And then add few drops of contact solution. Try making the borax solution and try not to put too much borax powder, and add 1 drop at a time to your slime mixture. They'll start to bond immediately. If it doesn't, you've done wrong. And if it doesn't work, add few more drops of borax solution. And don't add too much. It might give you a 2nd-degree burn. The slime is almost ready, as you can see. It is all bonded together and it is almost ready for playing. Have fun with your slime and don't forget to be messy with it. Please like and subscribe, and it is your choice to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.